sure is. He attacked Nemo.
Let me see that.
All right, Sophia. Which one do you want? I'll put batteries in the next one. Which one do you want?
I'll
one.
show you.
Pick one. You want to put batteries in it for me? You want to bring a robot?
No. No, Daddy. I think my guy's good. No. Daddy.
Yeah.
The robot is gone. Oh, Martino! Martino?
That's what you named him?
Yeah. Grandpa over there for the sea animals.
What sea animals do you have?
For the whale and the fish and the crocodile and the sea turtle and the stingray.
All right. I think you just got a cameo shot from your chicken.
Huh?
The only real life dinosaur left in this exhibit. All right. I'm gonna work at breakfast. I'll see you guys later. Yes, love.
Rosie. Oh no.
All right.